Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Discord mic if it's picking all PC sounds. All right. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. So first up, Windows settings right here. Go ahead and right click on your audio manager and click on sound settings. Now go ahead and scroll all the way down until you find advanced. Right here, click on more sound settings. Click on it and this cute window will pop up. Now go ahead and go to recordings, open up your microphone. Now go ahead and go to advanced and disable audio enhancements. Okay. Also disable allow application to take exclusive control. Okay. Make sure that you copy my settings and then go ahead over to listen. Now make sure that this one is unticked. Listen to this device. Okay. And once that's done, hit on apply, hit on OK, close this one and check if it helps. If not, open up Discord. In here, go ahead over to the settings icon, user settings. Okay. Click on, we have here voice and video. Click on it. Now select the correct microphone. Okay, scroll down and select the option voice isolation. Okay, click on it. And then if you want to, you can go use push to talk. If not, just leave it. Okay, so in this way, it says here, just your beautiful voice. Let Discord cut through the noise, which is automatic. Okay, or if you want to, you can go ahead over to custom. Okay, make sure that this one is enabled. If it's still picking up, adjust the slider right here. Okay. Now make sure that you select the noise suppression to crisp. Okay. Crisp. Echo cancellation on. Push to talk. It's up to you. Show advanced voice settings right here. Automatic gain control off. Advanced voice activity. Turn this off may help if your voice is not being detected. Just turn it off. And that's basically it. That is how you fix Discord if the mic is picking all PC sounds. I hope this really helps and I'll see you in the next one.